back to the podcast where we explore what it really means to start over together in one of the most romantic, inspiring countries in the world. For many countries, the dream begins as a passing thought, maybe after a vacation that ended too soon. You imagine yourself walking through the narrow Spanish streets, sharing drinks at sunset, and finally slowing down enough to really live. Spain has that effect. It draws you in with its rhythm, warmth, and beauty. But moving abroad as a couple is more than just romance. It's about teamwork. It's learning to balance the excitement of the dream with the realities of planning visas, housing, and shipping your life overseas. It's also an opportunity to rediscover what partnership means when you step outside your comfort zone. Spain offers couples something rare, a lifestyle that makes room for connection. Meals are long, laughter is loud, and time feels like it belongs to you again. Whether you're building a new life in Madrid or settling into the peaceful pace of a coastal town, Spain invites you to grow together, not apart. And when you have a trusted moving partner, like SDC International Shipping by your side, the entire relocation process feels lighter and far more manageable. Instead of spending your energy juggling endless to-do lists, shipping paperwork, and international logistics, you can stay focused on what truly matters: each other. SDC takes care of every essential detail, from professional packing and secure container loading to coordinating sea or air freight, navigating custom clearance, and ensuring safe final delivery right to your new home in Spain. Our experienced relocation specialists work with you every step, creating a personalized moving plan that fits your timeline, budget, and lifestyle goals. You'll receive regular updates and full transparency throughout the journey, so there are no surprises, only the comfort of knowing everything is being handled with care. With SDC managing the complex part of your move, you and your partner are free to embrace the excitement of this life-changing transition, arriving in Spain ready to begin your next chapter with ease, confidence, and peace of mind. Ready to begin your journey together? Give us a call, 844-651-7050, or visit movertospain.com to plan your move today.